Hey friends, this is Atif here, Val, and welcome to the update on Moonriver. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Moonriver broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern, and after the breakdown, I was telling you that target can be here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $8, and you can see that the price line has dropped more than that, and it has also broken down this down trend line support as well. That was in fact the resistance of the previous down channel that we broke out, and this was the channel by the way, quite long-term down channel. Since after month of December 2023, it was moving inside this channel. Now we have again broken down this downtrend line support and re-entered the same channel. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Moonriver. And we have also broken down a very long-term uptrend line support as well. This was the support. You can see that this support was coming from here, from 24th of September 2022. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. This was another short bounce. And we have also broken it down. And here we have found another downtrend and resistance as well. For the past several days, you can see that the price was getting rejected by this resistance. Now we have so many resistance levels to break out. However, if we take a look at the oscillators, then on the daily time frame chart, you can see that RSI has once again entered the oversold zone. The stochastic is also already moving inside the oversold zone. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, stochastic is extremely oversold. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had a nice pump at the price and broke out the channel. Before that, it was entered the oversold zone here. Then we had a nice pump at the price and broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. This time, there can be a possibility of a price reversal because we also have a very strong support. But right now, you can see that the price end is sometimes moving below this support and sometimes moving above this support. That is at $6. Quite long-term support that was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to share with you the most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members, and this signal produced more than 20% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish garlic pattern that Moonriver formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade that a buying zone, sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 20% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, by the way. Previously, you can see that Moonriver was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 23 to $25. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to this key resistance of $45. That was previously breaking as support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. And we had a rejection by this resistance and formed another down channel and broke out of the channel here in the month of November 2024. But while moving to the upside, it formed a bearish path move, and that was a rising wedge pattern. And when we broke it down, I was telling you that target will be here at the bottom of the wedge, and now you can see that the price and has dropped more than that. Right now, it is trying to break down the next long-term support of $6 that was previously working as a support here, and before that was working as support here for several days. And here it was working as a resistance, support, and support. And right now you can see that the price line is breaking it down. And for example, if we will completely break down, the daily candlestick will be closed below the support. Then we may see that the price line may drop to the next long-term support of $4.70. However, if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that oscillators are very extremely oversold. You can see that RSI has entered the oversold zone, and the value of RSI is 23.26. And stochastic is already moving in the oversold zone for the past several days. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that extremely stochastic is once again extremely oversold. Now, if price then starts another reversal from here, then we have so many resistance levels to break out. We have the resistance of $8 that was previously working as a support for several weeks. And before that, it was working at a resistance here. And now again, it can work as a resistance. We have this downtrend and resistance of the channel. We have this downtrend and resistance that we found here recently, and we have this uptrend and support that can now act as a resistance. However, if the price and breaks out this channel, and like previously, the price and hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, we can expect that again it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That will be again here at the top of the channel, approximately at $45. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.